another video for the channel. I was updating the Pandora firmware, and then it's gone all the drivers, all the graphics, everything. So I might just do this tutorial because I'm installing again the Jetson ISO for the Pandora, the NVIDIA Orin NX. It took me a long time to understand, and it was really difficult. So I bought this pen drive, the USB, and everything is going back. So you might need some USB because this one is brand new, so it's faster, it's 3.2, and I'm using a keyboard attached to it. I just bought it just for turning on, and this as a Bluetooth, because I think that one is difficult to use. I install a Wi-Fi on it, so let's see it, all the steps going on, so we can just go back with the pre-building Jetpack and fix this stuff that's ruining my whole workplace, but at least learn me to upgrade the firmware. So now the firmware is perfect, running awesome. So let's go for the installation of the Jetpack. The tip here is I was using a old USB 2.0. I did the boot for Jetpack in a Mac, so I downloaded Balena and the file. It's really difficult to find the right file for your device, but I can help you guys. So it was not running with the LAN, not even the Wi-Fi. The graphic was ruined, and now I'm thinking it's gonna be back again.